Hey, this is Big Jeff coming to you live from Big Jeff Audio. We're doing some more open boxes, so come along. Let's take a look at the next item. As you know, we are growing a line that we bought from DS18, and part of that is us showing it to you, so hopefully you'll want to buy it. We love to see you to share this stuff out. Leave your comments. Trolls, stay away, but comments are welcome. We are going to be making changes in this line over time and adding to it, and we're going to do that with your input. What we're talking about today is a 6.5-inch component set from Black Diamond Audio. Part number is a DIA-65.2C. Now, let me tell you the price is kind of crazy. $59.99. Now, keep in mind these videos are done at the end of 2001. We're actually a few days left till the new year. There'll be some price increases like everything else, but right now, $59.99 gets you a 6.5 component set with crossover and an awesome tweeter. Let's open the box up. I'm going to turn it this way. It's kind of big. So first thing you'll notice is you're going to get a manual. Love the Black Diamond logo. That will never change. Let you know we are changing our slogan from Element of Sound to redefining Pro Audio. I think it's kind of cool. Let me know what you think. So what do you get for less than $70? Well, we're going to get a few things. Let's open up the box. And I'm going to pull it out for you here. I got a set of crossovers. I'm going to have a really cool 1-inch voice coil, 2-inch actual size tweeter, and we're going to look with the 6.5-inch, and there's a few other goodies inside, which I'll pull them out for you. And let me do this big box. I'm going to move all this to the side for you. Okay, so first thing we got is actually a nice crossover. They're all the same. They're going to cut out the difference between the tweeter and the mid-range, obviously. Cool thing about this, first thing I want to show you, it's actually not that big. That's the palm of my hand. It's pretty slim, so this can actually get screwed in or glued in. You'll see right here you have in. And remember, this is going to work out to be a 4-ohm load. You will have for your woofer and your tweeter. Pretty easy. There's nothing else there, so it's not confusing. Next, we're going to get some mounts for the tweeters. You can either flush mount it, you can surface mount it, and on the surface mount, they're going to give you where you can also do at an angle. Really cool. You are going to get speaker wire with it. Use it if you want. I think if you're running this off radio power or small amp, you'll be fine. It is kind of thin, so always recommend upgrade. Something like this you can get away with 16 gauge. If you can afford it, you can go a little bigger, 14, kind of overkill. Why is it overkill? Well, cool thing about what we're opening right now is the power handling. And what we're saying is 60 watts RMS per set. So really all you need is 60 good watts, a max of 120 to run everything you see here. Let's open up the tweeter. The tweeter is actually a, I believe, 1-inch voice coil. The actual cutout is 2 inches. That gets real confusing, people online. It's very slim, as you can see. Without going into all the specs and measurements, make sure you check this out on bigjeffaudio.com. You'll want to search DIA-65.2C for component. The tweeter itself, I've actually heard this. It's very clean. It's not a neodymium. You're not going to expect that for something under $70. But it is a ferrite metal. It is showing to be a 0.5 inch voice coil. 0.5-inch voice coil. The overall diameter is 2.3 inches, and the depth is about 1 inch. Actually, they say 1.1. If you look at it, it's actually a nice looking tweeter. You got the Black Diamond logo. Well, let's get to the showcase here. If you notice here, they did give you a few ways to mount the tweeter. If you're going to do flush mount, you can actually put this behind. Real simple to use. A few things that we noticed. First off, that this is going to have a grill. Grill's gonna be good, especially this one here, and let me show you. That looks really cool. Okay, so as you can see, the grill is real nice. Display is there, it protects the speaker. You can do it without the grill, obviously. You can see it has a nice coated, shiny surface. The butyl surround, obviously, is coated also. This looks like this will take some weathering. I don't know where you live, but down here in Florida, it gets real humid. Other states get real dry. To turn it over, we have a simple positive and negative, very small magnet. The actual mounting depth on this is 2.3 inches. So it'll probably fit in most of your doors. So you're gonna have a driver, 6.5 inch, you're gonna have a crossover, and you're gonna have a tweeter. This all comes in the set, and it's only $69.99. Okay, so make sure you check this out at bigjeffaudio.com. You can search for the DIA-65.2C. Remember, all orders come with some kind of freebies. Make sure you leave a comment, and please also share this video. As you can see, I'm new doing this, so I'm still learning. I'm gonna get better along the way, I promise. And my whole plan is just to bring awareness to all our customers of what product is available to them, what it looks like, and what they get before you actually purchase it. Thanks again. This is Big Jeff coming to you live from Big Jeff Audio.